If you want to see a video that makes Lightning McQueen into Mad Max's love child, this is a video for you. Bit of a tight budget on this one. Well, here we go. So this is something a little bit different. It actually looks like Lightning McQueen, you know, the kids cartoon. So we got ourselves a bit of a car build to go. Got some nice big wheels, and you're probably wondering how the hell am I going to get them wheels to fit? Well, we've got this over here. So we're going to put that under that. The actual car that we're going to use is a 94 Lancer, a little two-door. So a little 94 Lancer, plenty of sun fade. It's always been out in the sun by the looks. And we've got some roof issues. You can sort of see it's been repaired in the past. Apparently Lancers are well known for rusting in the roof, like around this era. So we've got a heap of work to do, like removing the roof lining, and then like that's just bog. That's nothing else but bog. It's just been filled in holes, and we've got to seal that up, so because this vehicle will be outside at one point or another. So what do you think of the wheels? Nice set of 35s. They'll certainly work once they're on that. So anyway, what we're putting it on now, this is I believe it's a 97 Hilux chassis. Got a real four-wheel drive. Yay, real four-wheel drive. I don't know what ratios the diffs are. I guess that doesn't matter. Now the chassis itself is too long. Put a rough measurement over the wheelbase, and it's about 400mm too long. So we're going to shorten it down. And this looks like probably the easiest spot to take that 400mm out, because it's parallel. Now this vehicle is never going on the road. Well, not on purpose. It's never going on the road. It's going to be real rough. No, it won't. It'll be beautiful. Anyway, so we're going to put the big wheels, the big 35s, onto here, shorten the chassis, and then put the body on it. And we've got a bit of a surprise for the engine. We're not using a little 4-cylinder. Actually, we're not using a 6-cylinder. We're going all the way. So the plan is to use a Jeep engine and a Jeep gearbox and a Jeep transfer case. So we'll actually maintain four-wheel drive. So there's the front drive shaft off the front diff. And this is where the transfer case is meant to be. Transfer case, gearbox, and then engine. And then all the way up to the rear diff. So have to be shortened anyway. So once we take out this bit in the middle there, do a bit of a hack. So all these cab mounts and the tray back mounts, all those will all come off, and there's a lot of work in that in itself. Like we'll probably keep these front ones, but the rear cab mounts, well, they probably won't be anything relevant. Well, I think it's going to be pretty wild. There's lots of little spots of rust in this thing. Like you can see, there's a bubble there. There's a bubble there. There's one around the light here. She's pretty bad. Besides that, it's relatively rust free except for the roof spots. Like, as you can see, it's been sitting around. Like there's all the leaf litter and stuff along here, and it's not been looked after. And we're not going to look after it either. So if you're not already subscribed and you want to see the rest of the series, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll be able to make sure all these new videos come up to you. So there'll be a new video every week once we start getting into this. So we've got lots happening on this one. Guys, we'll catch you on the next one, eh? See ya. What a wild bit of gear. Keep the interior nice.